Hey guys, my fanboy here. After the AR timer how to wire video, I decided to make a LEGO tornado siren update. Since my first LEGO tornado sirens video was a year ago. Man, does time fly. Well, let's show you what I made. So first right here you got an STH-10. Yep, it's on a pole. Type this like connector right here. Goes all the way down. There's the control box for it. Right here is my crane. Then right here I have a little fire department with a Thunderbolt 1003, which does rotate, and a nice little Model 2 mounted in the back. Right here is a yellow ASCT-128 pole as a 9-mile siren. You see the wires, or the chain, is going into the fire department. Yep. There's the T-128. Here is the ACAP-10, which is stuck around for a whole year. Yep, so there's the 3-phase box and the radio. And then right here is an ACA Banshee. They put a nice little yellow control box on it. Seeing 2 sirens I have not mounted up yet. An ACA P15, as well as an ASC E-Class. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.